Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter or that you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for AeroPlayer right now, and a few key things about each that actually matter. So you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc, completely free, and read it whenever you want. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for AeroPlayer and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for AeroPlayer. Why? Well, it works flawlessly with AeroPlayer. Super important, right? Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and excellent download and upload speeds. Features. It has the most features of any VPN out there. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support. Great price for what you get, and support is top notch. Logs. Nope, they don't keep any. Encryption. They use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for everything it offers. Negatives. Just a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for AeroPlayer is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth streaming and gaming on AeroPlayer. Features, all the essentials plus a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route only AeroPlayer traffic through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money VPNs out there, usually cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? Nope, no logs. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? They use the best tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, which is a Five Eyes country, and that makes privacy nerds nervous. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want pure performance with AeroPlayer and great value. Third best VPN for AeroPlayer is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you'll always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby. Features? Packed with stuff. A kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option. Support is good and professional. Logs? Nope, no logs, and their policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful, best for budget-conscious folks who want a huge network and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for AeroPlayer: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you just pick based on their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine, because they all work perfectly with AeroPlayer. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best all-around VPN for AeroPlayer, with a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible value for the price with AeroPlayer. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.